So see here, now we go with multi-dimensional array. Now we go with multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array, see, syntax of multi-dimensional array is data type. Here we give using the symbols, and here I give array name and equal to new array name, new data type. Here you give the row size comma column size. So this is the multi-dimensional array. Okay, multi-dimensional array is the combination of rows and columns. Okay, it is the combination of rows and columns. See, I will show you here. Same array I take it as multi-dimensional array. Okay, here I give nums. Here we give the row size and column size. So I directly giving here. Okay, 1 2, we are giving like this, 1 2 3, enter. Here I give 4 5 6, next here I give comma, next here I give 7 8 9. We are declaring like this. So here we consider as a 3 rows and 3 columns. Same array we can defining another way. And copy paste here. And see here, I put it at this comment line. So see here, same array I will defining another way. Here I give the 3 comma 3. So next, in this situation we must and should give the size of the array. In this situation no need to give the size of the array. Now I assigning first position we called as okay, 0 comma 0. Array index always starts with 0 1. Next, second element size is we called as a okay, 0 comma 1. So here we are assigning 2, and the next third element we define as a okay, 0 comma 2. Okay, here we are assigning 3. So in this situation, first row will be completed. This first row will be completed here. So from second row we are entering 1 comma 0. Names of 1 comma 0. Next here assigning 4. Next I copy paste as it is here, Control C, and here I copy paste here. Okay, here I give 1 and 1 and 1. Here I give 4 5 and 6. See here, I entered first row and second row, third elements. Now I enter third row. So again I copy paste here. Here I give 2 2 2. So 2 comma 2. So array index starts with 0, ends with size minus 1, size row minus 1, row minus 1. See here. So same values I entered here. This is a multi-dimensional array. So it is similar like a matrix. By using multi-dimensional array we can matrix multiplication and addition is possible. So now I want to display these values at runtime. See here. So here it is the combination of rows and columns. So we need 2 for loops. Here see here, for int I equal to 0, I I less than, see here, I less than, here what is, how many rows? 3 rows are there, so I give 3 and here I give I plus plus. So this is for rows, this is for rows only. So see, for suppose I entered console dot write line, here I give nums of I comma 0, nums of I comma 0, I put the semicolon and run this one. It display the only, see, 7, 8, 9. So see, it will display the only every row first element, it will display only every row first element. Okay, only these values will be display here. For suppose if you give 0 1, see, if you give 0 1, it will display the only second elements of that array. See here, now I give 2, it will display the third elements of every row, so I don't want like this, I want to print all elements in array. So for that we need another for loop. This is for columns 0, next j less than 3, j plus plus. Okay, next I cut this one, see, instead of the second number I give the j. So first I value will be 0, next I value less than 3, next j less, so less than 3 condition true, it will go to j loop. Okay, j checks the condition, j less than 3 again checks the condition, it will come here 0 comma 1, it will repeating, again j value incremented, come here, it will come 1. Okay, 0 comma 1 will be printed, next time j value 2, 0 comma 2 will be printed this number. Next, when condition is false, this for loop is over, then it will go to again upper side, I will be incremented, this time I value 1, this same procedure it will repeating again inside the here. Next time I will be incremented, next time this procedure again repeated here. So now observe the output, those all values printed, but I want to these values printed as a matrix format. So in this situation I give the right, so horizontally it will print. So I want to print this format. So see here, in this situation all are printed horizontally. So when it will over first row 3 elements, after it will incrementing in this gap, it will go to upside for the increment. So here I give console dot write line, now see here, it will printed as a matrix format, So this is the multi-dimensional array. See, in multi-dimensional array one more thing is there, see, console dot write line, see here 3 predefined things are there in multi-dimensional array. So for suppose assume like that, here array name nums, okay, here array names nums, I give nums dot length, it will display total number of elements, okay, So if I give nums dot get length of 0, it returns the total number of rows in array. So for suppose, okay, for suppose I give nums dot get length, okay, get length of 1, it returns the total number of columns. It will return the total number of columns. So now I will display here. See here I return total elements, C plus nums dot length. So see here, now observe the output. It returns the total number of elements 9. So these are 9 elements. So next, to find out the total number of rows in array, nums dot get length of 0. So now see here total number of rows are 3. It will display 3. So there are 3 rows now. Next, same thing for find outing the total number of columns. Okay, here I give 1. So it will return the total number of columns in the array. So here 3 number of columns. So these are the predefined methods to find out the total number of elements and total number of rows and columns. So in this situation, instead of 3, can I give nums dot get length of 0? Yeah, it is possible, because get length of 0 is 3. Here instead of 3 we can give here get length of 0 1. Okay, here give nums dot get length of 1. Okay, see here there is no change in the output. So that is the values. Now for suppose here I doesn't give any element here. For assume like that, I never give this one. So run the program. So it will takes 0. So if it doesn't give any element in the multi-dimensional array, it will take 0. Okay, for suppose I give in this situation, I put it as comment line. So I give in this situation leave blank, I uncomment this one. In this situation anything. For suppose I doesn't give anything here, okay, put the comma and see here it will show error. In this situation it will show error. In this situation it will take it as a 0. By default multi-dimensional array, if you doesn't give anything, it will take zeros. Not arrays will take 0. Not only multi-dimensional array, single dimensional array also it will take 0. So here it will not accepting.